Good morning, kiddos. It's Mrs. Gershon here. This week we're going to be looking at base words that end in CT and SS and what happens to those words when you add TION or SION, making the shun sound at the end of the word. So let's go ahead and read through the words, and then we will go ahead and do some color coding to see what our groupings are this week. So we're going to go ahead and start with collect and move down. We have expression, protection, construct, selection, confession, oppression, discussion. Then we have collection, protect, subtraction, connect, possess, connection, impression, confess. And then we have express, discuss, select, oppress, subtract, construction, possession, impression. So it's not going to be too difficult to see that when your base word ends in CT, like in the word collect, that's a base word, that you're going to be adding TION to collection. Let's keep that the same color this week, okay? Because the base word ends in CT, and then you'll add TION. When the base word ends in when the base word ends in SS, you're going to just add SION to the base word. You're not adding an additional S, you're just going to use that second S in the base word and then add ION. So looking through the words, there are no oddballs this week. So just really look at those base words, and it will make sense to you then why we add, or which way we add shun onto our base words, TION or SION. All right, happy sorting.